Introducing smart, intelligent, automatic lockers and cabinets, redefining secure storage solutions for modern workplaces. Designed with advanced technology, our lockers feature RFID card access, ensuring quick and seamless entry. Equipped with biometric fingerprint scanning, they provide unmatched security, making unauthorized access impossible. Need flexible access options? Use secure password protection for added convenience. Perfect for offices, hospitals, manufacturing units, and schools, these lockers keep sensitive items, documents, and equipment safe. Whether storing personal belongings, medical supplies, or confidential files, our smart lockers adapt to your needs. Smart, secure, and reliable, experience the future of storage today. Contact us to learn more.